up, guys? So I figured I'd give you guys a little bit of an update of what's going on and what's to come. Currently I am headed over to Tommy's place to see a new addition that has made its way to his driveway this evening. Also going to show you guys a little something that we received in the mail today for the V8 car. A little present for the car. But I wanted to let you guys know that there's a car show coming up this Friday. Hopefully, I'm going to try and get old Red out there to make an appearance with her. But it may be kind of difficult seeing that I still don't have the front suspension aligned, nor is the rear aligned. It's not to my liking, at least, nor is it safe to drive. So I really don't want to take the chances of fucking anything up by driving it. But I am headed to Tommy's house right now. I'm fixing to be there in probably the next 15 to 20 minutes. As soon as I get there, I'll give you guys an update and show you what's going on with the new addition, and also give you the sneak peek of what's going to be going on the 1UZ car within the next day or two. Hopefully tomorrow, actually. Yeah. Check it out, motherfuckers. The new addition.
600-pound hood, and for some reason it has dash shocks instead of the old spring hinges, which sucks.
That's odd.
It's an 86,
Has sat under a tree for a little while, as you can tell. She's a beaut.
It's something. It's a start. I love it. But I love all these old cars. And then a good light.
Yeah, right here on the jump starter. I know it. I was looking at that, I was like, even got like a fresh set of tires on it.
Yeah, dude. Two different worlds.
Holy.
And it has a Firebird horn cap. Maybe a whole steering wheel, I don't know. That's my red bar. I had to hit up with it.
It's got better view.
These doors are heavy too, so
Think those are original?
miles, I don't know. It's possible.
It's actually in really decent shape in here.
Yeah. This is the first year of this high center mounted taillight. It was on the exterior of the glass.
Looks like it had louvers on it.
It probably did.
Or that's the clips to hold the louvers on, at least. Look at all that fresh meat that's going to get burned off as soon as this bitch starts running. That's right. Well, let's see what it'll do. Let's see if we can't get some more power to it.
We need to get under it.
What you got to get to?
Those fuse links are under the starter, basically. And that's the first 2 points I need to check. Fault. The battery took up. This is kind of loose. I'm going to get some of these cables. They look like garbage.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, the ground is just right there.
Yeah.
And the power runs down the starter. It's got oil in it, and it still feels like decent, like it's enough to move it.
So you're thinking the fusible link to the starter's probably shot?
Yeah, it goes to the ignition and the starter. So.
Oh, the same one.
Well,
does.
I mean, it goes to the ignition and then it goes to the.
What's unplugged?
The other one, I don't know. I haven't figured that out yet. But I don't think it's going to keep it.
No.
That may have been some factory intake stuff because it has this.
Oh yeah, I see.
And look right down here. That looks an awful lot like a mechanical fuel pump to me.
Doesn't it?
If I've changed for you.
I would have to agree.
I know that that's what they look like, and I know that's where they mount them, and it leads me to believe that that's what's going on here. But he said the fuel pump was out, which it may be, and it may have just been me thinking of it.
But if that's mechanical, then the diaphragm's probably shot.
Yeah, you can just get a new
Yeah, simple fix.
pump and slap it on.
How hard is it to get underneath it? Because of the trim.
Oh, hell yeah. A lot of creatures are going to be upset if they can't fire it up. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I say we throw the jack on this. I've got some ramps too, but if we can get. That's a starter right there. Yeah. It should have the main wire running to it, and then off the front you'll see two smaller wires come off of that. And go back through the harness.
right there.
For now, it's a brake line. Kind of see it here. See one side.
Oh yeah. I see it up there now. I just don't see the link though.
Yeah. Well, I think if I read correctly, the original setup was just two pieces of solid wire that were made to basically melt down at a certain amperage and act as a fuse.
Right, okay. So the old style fusible link.
So then you just cut that out and replace, or well, I guess you take it out, replace that whole section of wire and put a fuse link between both of them. And then fire it up, hopefully. I mean, but I want to get a test light and see if we're getting power. Not as far as I can tell, but the headlights and everything would work off of one of those two links as well, from what I remember. I can't remember what the other one goes into. One goes in the ignition switch, and then goes to
Well guys, we'll get back to you if we figure something out and get it started. So, it just turned over for the first time. We're going to see if it'll actually fire. It comes on every once in a while. I can do it from that side. Like I know where it's at. Can you feel the throttle? Just open the throttle a little bit. I don't know where it is. Be right around here somewhere. Oh, that? No, that's the clamp for the breather. Here it
Oh.